Hi, my name is Mel. Come along with me as I explore, travel, adventure, and create photography. This is MinuteTour, the home for my adventure stories. Laie Point is an amazing lookout point on the north shore of Oahu, Hawaii. It is located at the end of short peninsula lined with residential homes. It is on a dead-end road with limited parking area, but offers unlimited beauty. From the parking, you can walk out on the lava rock. The rocks are sharp as you get closer at the very end of the point. It was a windy day when we visited, but we were mesmerized by the beauty of Laie Point. Laie Point is one of the most beautiful places we visited in Oahu. It is one of those unexpected gems of Hawaii. This place is great for sightseeing. I also read that you can fish, and if you are extremely adventurous, you can do cliff jumping on the right side of the point, but need to be a strong swimmer and climb to get back up. This place offers beautiful views of the Pacific, Oahu mountain range, and scenic views of the ocean lapping against the rocky coast. The sounds of the waves and the smell of the ocean at this level was enjoyed by all. Just be sure not to get close to the edge when checking out the views. The ocean is a powerful force, so you don't want to be standing on the edge and get swept into the ocean by a big wave. Laie Point is absolutely beautiful any time of day. Nice spots to relax and enjoy the ocean and waves. I enjoyed the fantastic view, the blue water, the mist in the air, and watching the waves crash up against the large arching rock formation. Bring your camera. You will take many photos. This is definitely a photo spot. Laie Point is another destination when you are in Oahu, Hawaii. This is a great stop whenever you are heading towards the North Shore or heading east. It's certainly worth a stop for awesome coastal views. Have you been to Laie Point? What was your favorite thing about it? Leave your comments below. I love hearing from you. And stay tuned for more Hawaii outdoor adventures. Thank you guys for watching. If you would like to watch more videos, just search MinuteTour. Remember, no space. And see you in the next adventure. Bye!